I am Dr. Srinivas Gupta, homeopathic and holistic consultant. I am going to show you some simple candle exercise. Everybody can do this, with which in turn your lung capacity will be better, your oxygen saturation is better, very, very effective. Not only it helps to improve the lung capacity, we tried in my clinic so many patients, it also helps to burn the calories, it also helps to reduce your weight, it also helps so many parameters helps. Immediately after 3-4 minutes you get sweating. So first you have to put one candle to 5 feet distance, then try to blow that. If you are not able to do 5 feet, then 4.5 feet, then 4 feet, 3 feet, slowly you can practice. Now I am going to show you how to blow the candle. First you keep it 5 feet, then say take deep inhalation. So that when you take deep inhalation, so your lung will expand, upper lobe, middle lobe, lower lobe, total oxygen will go, then you can do again. So we are not able to do again, we have to do like that. You should do 2 times, 3 times, 4 times you should do. So slowly it helps. If you are not able to do in 5 feet, do it in 4.5, then 4, then 3.5, 3. This is very, very good exercise, and basically after 2-3 minutes you get lot of sweating. So many clients told, doctor, we along with the lung capacity we are able to see our weight is reduced with this. So I recommend this is a simple exercise to help to increase the lung capacity. Is very, very easy, everybody can do. Thank you. Showing the demo of our staff so that it is easy to understand. You can start now. Take deep inhale and blow. First you try for 5 feet, then you are not able to do 4.5 feet, then 3.5, then 3. It will help to strengthen the lungs. It is very, very easy exercise and very effective exercise to prevent the corona problems. Okay, good, very nice. 3 times, 4 times you do. Take deep inhalation and exhale at once. So your upper lobe of the lung, middle lobe, lower lobe, all will be stimulated. You get proper oxygen, proper exchange of the gases inside the lungs. If you are not able to do, come little front. Good. Good. Try. If some people will get giddiness and headache, then many people will get some headache, giddiness. If you are getting giddiness, relax for 1 minute and do it again. Take inhale and blow. Deeply should blow from the mouth. Try again. Try again. Oh, really? Good. So many women, many patients are getting little headache and giddiness, so that they can relax for some time, again they do it. Try, use little pressure. Good. So first he tried at the 5 feet, then he is not able to do 4.5, is at the 4 feet, then at the 3.5. First he tried at the 4 feet, is not able to do, then he tried for 4.5, then he tried 4, then at the 3.5 you can blow the candle. Slowly start with 3.5, slowly go for 4, 4.5, 5, like that increase. Then it is very good exercise for the lungs. Thank you. Do now. She is doing at the 5 feet distance, she is trying. Good. Try for 5 times, then if not able to do, again 5 times, still not able to do, keep the candle at the 4.5 feet, then 4 feet, 3.5 feet. I think better you come to the 4 feet. Now she tried the 5 feet, she is not able to do. At the 4 feet, I think she will do. Good. Good. No. Try. Actually it is very tough, it helps to reduce the weight also. Actually the persons, many are telling after 3-4 minutes you feel sweating. Now she is not able to at the 4 feet, now she is trying at the 3.5 feet now. Try now. Try. So it is not coming. I think you should try at the 3 feet now. Now come to the 3 feet. Try. Good. See, she is not able, she tried the 5 feet, she tried the 4 feet, then she tried 3.5 feet, and finally 3 feet, she would blow the candle. So slowly she knows her lung capacity, slowly she has to improve the lung capacity with the lung exercises, and this is very effective. This very simple and easy exercises to increase the lung capacity, everybody can do. Try for the 5 feet, then 4.5 and 4. You can see the results within 10 to 15 days. For any information, you can message us, we will help you. Very simple exercise, definitely it helps to increase the lung capacity. Again I am showing, our staff has shown, again I am showing. Like that, inhale and exhale from the mouth. So actually it's very difficult to do, but practice. Like that you should do. It is very easy. And basically many people they get headache, giddiness. When they get headache, giddiness, they should sit for 2 minutes and do. I think we can, this pandemic, we can help to increase the lung capacity. Once see this corona is affecting mainly from the nose, from the throat is affecting the lungs. When the lungs are strong, the corona cannot enter inside. Thank you.